Hello, future developers. Welcome to another tutorial with ABCD. So we'll continue with our OCR project. Okay. So this is what we are going to do. So as you see here, we are going to extract these texts. Okay, in using easyOCR. Okay, but we'll learn to use a method that will make it more readable, as you see here. So comparing it or contrasting to this one. Okay. So using the paragraph method. Okay. So those who in my UI UX course, you notice this UI was something that we taught okay in Figma, and you should have it in your project file as part of this course. Okay, in your course model, it's a zip file. You can download it and then would use this particular file. Okay, so the file name is JAQ, and then it's a JPG file. So since we already know how to use OCR, okay, going to enlarge this. Then this, so I'm just going to explain this. Okay, so this, okay, we already know this. We passing our image, okay, the link or the path of our image, okay, to this variable called image, and then we are using the OCR reader method. We want to use the English method. Okay, setting my GPU to false, and then we want to read text from the image. So printing out the result is going to give us an array. Okay, and then you can see it has printed. It has a confidence level, the location of the text. Okay, so we have the about us. So let's contrast it again. So you can see we have the about us. Okay, the mortgage buyer at home, which is here. Okay, so you can see we have the mortgage, which is here. Mortgage about us is here. Refinance is here, and then apply now should be here. Okay, and the like. So yeah. So if we use the details method, it just fetches this for us. Now we would want to use the paragraph method to be able to make it more readable. So I'm going to demonstrate that now. So all I have to do is just to copy this. Okay, the reader.text, reader.readText. Okay, Control C, and I'll paste it here. Control V. Then the path for my image, which is this. So if I go to my, I just have to click here and then copy it, and I'll paste it here. Okay. Remember, it should be in quotes. Okay. Then details is you set your assign it's a variable that's a value of 0. You can use comma, and then we just type paragraph, and we'll set it to true. Okay. So if we print it out, this form should change. Okay. So let's run it. Okay, so you can see it's reading. It's like it's formed it in a paragraph form, something that is readable. Okay, so life biggest move with our full. So let's try check it. Okay, so for life's biggest moves with our full mortgage. Okay, okay, so let's try that with our Chinese image. So let's see here. So with our Chinese image, which should be this. So c.jpg. So it's a JPG file. So I can just copy all of this. Okay, this is here. Already I've tried it out, which is why we have it here. Then I'll just take this out. Okay, let's see how it will. It should. Oh, sorry. So it's a c dot. Yeah, c dot. Okay. Let's run it. As you can see, we have it. Okay. Now, if we run it, let me see. Control V. We need to actually set it to the Chinese format. So I'll have to go somewhere here. Okay. Then let me change here to, let me add this here. So where's the code? This code. Okay. Because in our image is a traditional Chinese. Okay, traditional Chinese. So let me paste it here. Also to traditional Chinese. Okay. So I'm going to change here to C, then let's run it. Okay, so you can see it's extracted the Chinese and then the English text. Okay, so I'm just going to add a cell and then let's copy this. Control C. I'll paste this here. Then I'm going to set here to the actual file. Okay. We have our paragraph set to true. So when I run it, we should have it well formatted. Okay, so you can see we have the um, text. Okay, so let's see how it looks, which is this. Would contrast it. So, okay, so you can see we have it the HRS, this Chinese first, and then the HRS station, the text again, Chinese text, and then the car kiss and ride. Okay. Okay, so you would notice that because we didn't add the Chinese code, okay, you could see it rather give us some different information for the Chinese text, okay, which is why we had to use this code here. So traditional Chinese and then English. So that should be it for this lesson. And then yeah, you've learned to extract text in the paragraph form, okay, to make it more readable. Okay, so see you in the next lesson. Thank you.